Okay. All right. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, sir. Can hear you, sir. Oh.
Okay. So let's calculate the capital allowance in this question. Now, capital allowance computation. So I will say, what's the name of this company? I think Thailand, something like that. Touch farm. What are the relevant years for calculating the capital allowance? Who can tell me? What are the relevant years? Please let me know if you are here, please. Are you in this class? Let me know.
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, what are the relevant years for calculating the capital allowance? Okay, let me tell you straight. Look at the schedule. The first asset that was acquired 2017, right? If you are going to introduce that for purpose of capital allowance, that will be 2018. The last asset that was acquired there was acquired in 2022. Introducing it to 2023. Now, why is it so easy? It's because the accounting year of this company is 31st December. That's why I'm able to quickly choose it that way. If the accounting year of this company is not 31st December, assume the accounting year of this company is 30th annually. Right? I will need to do my asset allocation schedule to know where the asset will fall into. So for the first asset, for example, it will fall into coming. So this will be 2018 also. Abi? Because that asset was acquired August 17. Abi? August 2017. 24 within year. Look at the one that was acquired January 1st. I will now write 1/10, 2017 to 39/18. That will be 2019. Abi? Look at the one that was acquired February 14. It will fall under 1/10, 2020 to 39/21. Which year would that be? 2022. The one acquired in June, the same way. July 2022. Do you understand me? The one that was acquired in June 2022, so I will have 1/10, 2021 to 39/2022. Those assets that was acquired in June will fall here. That is June 12, 2022, and July 8, 2022. They will fall here. So indirectly too, this will be from 2018 to 2023. But imagine if the accounting year of this company is 30th 4. I would have had 1 5, 2021 to 30th 4, 22, 1/5/22 to 30th 4, 23. That means if the accounting year of this company is 30th 4, 2023, the last asset that was acquired, or the last two assets that was acquired, this June and July, would have been assessed to tax in 2024 year of assessment. So depending on the accounting year end, that is when you will know where to introduce the assets composition of capital allowance. So let's go back to the question. In this question, the accounting year end of this question is 31st December annually. Therefore, now it is straightforward. So I would say for 2018 to 2023 year of assessment, how many assets do we have? We have plantation equipment, industrial building 2, non-industrial 3, motor vehicle 3, 4, furniture 5, motor vehicle 6. Okay, we can make that, right? So that's good. Plantation has 95. You see. %95 as initial allowance and dash as other allowance. The next one, industrial building, 1510. Non-industrial building, 1510. The next one, motor vehicle, 1525. Furniture, 10. Research and development. I'm merging all those running furniture and capital. The first one, in 2018, costs, we bought plantation, 46. That the number was 2018. Building, 12,000. Next, 9,000. Next, did we buy any other one? That's all right. So on that one, we will calculate initial allowance. 95% for industrial building. Research and development too is 95%. Yeah, keep going. Figure. Have I done one see myself?
4370.
Ah, please.
4370.
I don't like that. Why are you not answering me? 4.
370.
Thank you. Next.
18. 1800. 1350.
Annual allowance. Calculate it. Nothing for this guy. Calculate the annual allowance and get from
1020. 1020.
for this one.
Yes, sir.
All right, this one. Ooh.
You will never find any of them missing.
765.
7.
65.
So add all this together.
Total initial allowance is 7520. While annual allowance is 1785. $9,305.
That's 19. Tax is in that value. Give me my tax in that value.
230.
Value.
9,180. $6,885.
We acquire additional asset this year. How much? Did we buy any asset this year?
Sorry, I can't really go back to the question. The phone I'm using cannot
But you're not
run
the only
me.
one in the class.
Yes. Motor vehicle. 3.
Uh-huh.
January 1, 2018.
How much?
8,400. Motor vehicle 3. So what is the meaning of the 3 that they wrote in front?
That means when you want to calculate your retention value, you multiply by 3.
Okay.
You know, you usually retain 10.
Okay. Then we have F and F. Same January 1, 2018. 1,500. F&F 10.
In this question, examiner had made mistake in putting the motor vehicle in 2018 year of assessment. In 2019. No. So how much? 84.
Yes.
The next asset that was acquired,
Furniture and fitting.
15.
Yes.
%50 of this. 25% of 15 is what?
4,200.
No, 50, 41, 45, 25% of 15.
No.
375.
Add it together. AA is constant. Calculate the AA for the new assets.
Million 50,000.
How much?
1050.
I can't hear that.
1050.
Next.
$225.
225.
Add. What do you have?
$360. 3060.
2020.
7636. Total allowance. Total allowance. 7635. Yeah.
What is that value? Do you acquire anyone this year? Yes.
No. 2020. No.
No. Okay. So give my tax union value.
Sorry.
Tax union value.
0. 1020. For ID for land.
8160. For industrial building, 8160. 160.
What about this guy?
For F&F 900. F&F 900.
760. For
Non-industrial
non-industrial
building.
building, 6120.
Which one?
Non-industrial building, 6120.
For motor vehicle
For the metal
3150.
3150.
The next one. Did we acquire any this year? None. So annual allowance. I put annual allowance constant. So what is the annual allowance for this guy? Annual allowance.
1050. 225.
3060. Total 3060.
3.
060.
Who's the default? Ah, well. Here for this one.
Seven 140.
How much?
7140. 7140. 7140.
What about
My
this
name.
one?
675.
This one?
Furniture and fitting. 675. Sir, please write the 6 very well.
Yes.
Non-industrial building. 5355.
Motor vehicle. 2100.
No, sir, for non-industrial building, that's 5355.
Sir, motor vehicle is 2100. Two 100. Yeah.
Did you acquire this year?
No.
In 2021? Let's see.
There is motor
Okay,
vehicle, but it's
none.
February 2021. None.
None.
So it should be in 2022.
So then we'll calculate our tax return value. We'll put our tax, we'll put our annual
Yes.
allowance in, abi?
Yes.
Nothing for this, right?
PWD
Well, yeah.
for that is 3060. TWDV for F&F 450. Furniture
We're on
and
fire.
fitting. You said it, sir.
What do you have?
3 minus 65. 4590 for non-industrial building. MB 4590. Nine five no 4590. Yeah. 6120 for IB. 2025. 2022. 2022, we have new assets.
Which assets?
We have motor vehicle 2, February
You already
40,
have one motor
2021,
vehicle. Add it together.
5,600.
Did you buy any other thing?
It's 5,600, not 9,600 though.
Okay. Did you buy any other thing?
No, that is only asset we bought that year.
This is the
Other
only
was
person in the
2022,
class.
which will take place in 2023.
This is the only person in the class, Abby.
Yes.
No,
Don't
sir. We are
mind them.
here.
You are hearing. Yeah, you guys kept quiet. Initial allowance, how much for this new asset that we just acquired?
$2,800.
280.
Yes, 2,800.
So you yes.
You have woken up. AA. Not for this guy. A for this guy is constant. For this guy is constant. You need to recalculate the A for motor vehicle now. Now, listen up. For the old assets, this is the last year of use of the old assets. Abi? So I remember the
Yes.
last year of use, you went 10 naira.
Yes.
So that is that. You will now calculate the new one and add it together, give my value.
$1,750.
Another person.
Seven 1740.
Another person.
So,
I think 1750.
One 740.
Is that the consensus of the class?
1740.
1
740.
No, it's 50.
It's 40.
Not
There's 10 naira in the
0.
old asset that we need to retain.
No, it's 2,800 you wrote under the initial allowance. So we do your
Old
calculation.
asset has
0,
10
not
naira to
40.
be retained in the book.
Should die.
10
Thank
naira.
you.
Okay.
My shoki. Oh, yeah, Gary. So on this other one, our annual allowance is 225. And nothing here. Oh, yeah, add. What do you have? Who is Bukola?
Yes, sir.
Are you my student?
Sir, I've been talking now.
I have not heard your voice today.
3750.
Who is Ajari? Yesterday has always been the one talking since morning. Nifemi just kept quiet since. And Chineye too has been talking. Every other person just kept quiet today. You're your own.
Yeah,
No?
me, I've been
Me
talking
ogba,
too.
mo. Yes, Lord, that one don't go.
I've been
Give me
talking
my
no.
value. You've not been
Yeah.
talking. Give me my value.
750.
7.
337.
Uh-huh.
50.
When you add it together, what do you have?
6550.
2023. Tax and value.
For F&F, 230.
This guy, how much? For this one,
For F&F,
225.
225.
Industrial building 5100.
Thank you.
5100.
For motor vehicle, 2110. 2110. Correct.
Who is confirming that number? Okay.
Inumide is confirming.
AA. What about the non-industrial building?
Non-industrial.
3825.
825.
Uh-huh. AA. 10, 12, 7, 6, 5. What is A for the new assets?
700.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
This is the last year of this guy. You must take 10 naira. Is this asset in 1,000? This is 1,000. That 10 naira will not show. It's 1,000, right? The 10 naira will not show.
So
Do you
if that's the
understand?
case, then the 10 naira for the other one too not have shown.
So what you should have done is to have for this other one, what we're supposed to do is to take that value. What is the initial? That is 10 million, 1 million and 50, abi?
Yes.
Minus
It
10
should have
million.
been 1750 some
So
50 something.
1, 0, 4, 9, 9, 9, 0. Like this. That's what you will have. Okay? Plus 700.
That's
So we have
700,000.
1, 7, 4, 9. So because it is this now, you now 0.9. Abi?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, yes.
So it will be 1, 7, 4, 9. Let me write that for very well. 0.9. Abi?
Yeah.
So give my tax. What's my tax now value?
Sorry, that one would increase our figure to 3759.9, and our final answer will be 659.9.
Yeah. What do you have? That furniture and fitting, how many did they say it is? Two.
10.
10. Abi? No, that's another one. Oh, it's 10. So if it is 10, 225,000 minus 100 is not 1 again. It's not 10 minus 100. Do you understand what I'm doing? Talk, please.
100.
I don't understand.
I
They
don't
put 10 in
understand.
front of the asset. You multiply by 10. You multiply by 10. That is 100. For each asset, we usually retain how much? 30 naira.
Yes.
Now, the lab told us the asset is 10. 10 times 10.
100.
It's like you have 10 pieces of that asset.
No,
So that's
1,000.
Yes, now. In fact, for this, what is it called? For this motor vehicle, we have 3. This should have been 30. So this should be 70. But it should still not affect our results. Abby? This should have been 30. Abby, now it's not one asset. Are you listening? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
The same thing with this one. It's not one asset. It's 10. So I remove 10. What do I have? 2, 2, 4, 900. Abby? Abby now? So that's what I
yes.
have. So I'll just come here and say 2, 2, 4.9. What's the terminal value here?
2,100.1. Hello.
0.1. Did we acquire any asset this year? Yes. Oh, we acquired some asset this year. I have to delete this. Those assets we acquired must come first.
Yes, we have 2 assets in 2023
Good.
that was bought in 2022.
So costs of those ones.
We have furniture and fixing, 2,000. Then research and development, 7,000.
For research and development, it's 95% annual allowance.
Yes.
Even. So for furniture and fitting, 25% of 2,000 is what?
That's 500.
500. So 95% of 7,000 is what?
6,650.
$6,000. So add it together. What do you have?
$7,150.
It's a genie 7,150. AA. Nothing for this guy. 1020 for this guy. This guy 765. This guy. We have concluded on that other one. So this is 700. Oh yeah, give me. Now don't forget we did something on this one that time. Abi? So we have removed 100. Give me my value.
You said that one was 249.
224.9 plus
So very
what's the
cool.
new annual allowance for the new one?
That's 15. 300. So 300 plus 2249.
That was what? Five two four. Abi?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Nothing for this guy. Give him a value. And that's the last year of computation.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Please, I have a question concerning this AA for this 2023 under motor vehicle. That's 700. I don't know how you got it.
Okay. So when we calculated it on the new one that time, we said 56 minus 28. Abi? Divided by 4.
Complain.
That. Come on. Divided by 4, we have 700 on the new one.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Four zero eight zero
Which one?
for IB.
This is 230.
For research and development, 350. Around the 350.
Ibella Maria Yetunde.
Thank you, sir.
This next one.
NB is 3060.
NB is what?
NB
Top NB.
3060.
Okay, this one.
1,400.1.
1-4.
Yes, 0.1.
1.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 5.8 minus 24.9. Ever never 1,200.1.
Which one? This one.
Ever never funny 1,200.1.
Non-industrial building, 3060.
Okay. That's all. Give my annual allowance.
End of the story.
Annual allowance.
$3,009.9.
3.
3,009.
3.9.
3,009.9. That is
You know, sure.
3,009.9.
How this was going to hold you out?
For annual allowance total. 3,009.9.
You know, so 10
10,199.9.
Oh, no, what you getting there?
159.
No,
Oh, shit, guys.
no, 1015,
159.
10,159.9.
Oh, shit. Thank you, Chi. 10.
159.
159.9.
Now that you have gotten all your capital allowance, let's summarize. Let's write it out. Capital allowance, somebody. In 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. What do you have for 2018? $9,005.
305.
9,305. In 2019, what do we have? 7,003.
7635.
7,705. For 2020, what do we have?
3060.
The next one, we have
655.9.
6550.
6,559.9.
Yeah.
And the last one, 10.
159.9.
So, now, in this question, examiner also gave us accessible profit for those years. For 2018, accessible profit. Oh, yeah. Abi? They gave us Abi?
Mm-hmm.
They didn't give us 2021. They gave us 2022. They didn't give us that. Our computation was for 2023. So I can't see profit for 2022. Oh, sorry. What they wrote here, they wrote year ended.
Oh, okay.
Abi? So that means the first one that we had there.
Yes, schedule of payroll year turnover and accessible profit. Year ended 31st December.
Okay. So that means the first one is for 2019.
Oh, yeah.
Abi?
Yes.
It's for 2019. So I change it. And the last one is 2023, which is the one we calculated. We call the figure from the other time, 179,670. Right? So for the capital allowance that we calculated in 2018, now let's see something. If this company just commence operation, then we will grant the capital allowance. Yes, so we grant the capital allowance in 2019. Abi, look at it, just started. So the total capital allowance that will grant in 2019 will be the capital allowance brought forward and the one for the current year. Do you understand? Any question?
So that means that if we're giving like
This place is not clear, please.
possible profit for 2017 or because I'm confused.
Because it's not
Why?
given 2017, right? So the capital allowance that we're going to take now is the addition of the 2016 and 2017, which is 2018 capital allowance, and 2019. You know what I'm saying? Let's go again.
Sir, please come again.
This
Please,
company
one more.
commenced in 2018, right? Abi, is that the date of commencement?
Yes, sir.
That's in 2018. But when we're given profit, we're given profit of 31st December 2018. That is year ended. Okay? If you are given year ended, that means this should be what? 2019 year of assessment. Abi,
Yes, sir.
what we are doing in our own computation, we are doing year of assessments, not year ended. Right? So this examiner now gave us a year ended capital allowance, year ended accessible profits. How do you match it? Your year ended, you have to convert it back to year of assessment. And when we did that, we realized that there was no profit for 2018, but there was profit for 2019 because the company is just starting operation. They will not have relieved the 2018 capital allowance from anywhere. That is why we are granting it. So my total capital allowance that we grant in 2018, in 2019 now rather, will be 9,000. That is the one in the first year, plus 7,6. This is what I'm going to grant. So in my compute, the examiner now said we should compute the tax liability. So you compute my tax liability, I'll say, what's the name of this company? Farm something. I'll say computation of companies income tax for 2020, 2019, because that was the first profit we had, right? 2023 years of assessments. The profit that we are given was for 2019 year of assessment, even though they put 2018 year ended, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is that value? We wrote it down that time, 78, 750. Capital allowance. Brought forward. How much are we bringing forward? We are bringing forward 9305 for the year. For the year, how much for the year? For the year is 7,305. You add it together, we leave for the year. How much are we leaving with the addition of the two? How much is it?
16,940.
16,940. Oh, 16. Carry forward. So, which is 16,940. Total profit. How much are total profit?
61,810.
Company income tax. 30% of that. Tertiary education tax at 3% of accessible profit. 2020.
So as at 2018, that was not 3% now.
Don't
No,
bother
is it 3?
yourself.
Okay, sir.
So accessible profits. If you have the exam, if they give you the grade for those years, apply it. If they don't give you, use your 30%. Accessible profit for 2020. 95,120. Capital allowance.
306.
Osijaju. 306. There is no brought forward. So for the year. We leave for the year. Carry forward. Here my total profit.
92,060.
Who is that? Faith, is that you?
It's
No,
Chine.
sir.
Chine.
Yes,
you.
sir.
Your head is there. Me, my value.
92,060.
For that, we'll calculate company income tax. This is of accessible profits. This is of total profits. Forget your answer. We'll go to the next one, 2021. One 2020 to 30 was 12. 2020. Accessible profits. What's my accessible profit?
4,800.
142,800. capital allowance for the year. What correct is we're in 2022.
Yes, sir.
I was always
2021.
Okay. So give me my total profits. We leave for the year.
306. That's 139740.
Company income tax at 30%. Partially. John 2. As a from which
166900.
allowance. I will brought forward for the year.
6559.0.
Huh?
6559.0.9. Sorry.
We leave for the year. Carry forward. Total profits.
One 160,340.1.
Last one. How much is the profit?
17670.
Capital allowance for the year.
1015. This 905. 10159.9.
I don't believe you.
10159.9.
For the year. Forward. Total profits.
169,510. No,
510, sir.
160.1.
So you've not corrected the figure.
Huh?
The total
The
profit.
total
Is what? Figure.
169,510.1.
So, but this is not the end of the question. Especially when you are given turnover. Look at what the examiner asked you. The examiner said, calculate the tax liability for all the relevant years of assessment. Okay. Now, in year 2022, if I take 0.5% of my turnover, what do I have?
Please, sir, how did you get the 0.5%, sir?
Haven't we done minimum tax in this class?
It is 155,450, sir.
It's not possible.
No, 1,574.5.
1,000.
574.5.
When you calculated 30% of this, what do you have?
That's 50,853.03.
When will minimum tax become applicable? When will it become applicable?
If like their expected profit is lower than the standard industry.
I need to do that. Who else?
When there is no access to accessible profit, we use
When there is
minimum
no
tax.
accessible profit, then minimum tax should be applicable. And I also told you that minimum tax should become applicable where there is no, where the company income tax is less than minimum tax computed, right? In this scenario, is the minimum tax less than company income tax computed? No, it's less, right? The company income tax computed here is 50,000. Minimum tax is 1,005. Which one will the tax authority take?
Company income tax.
They will take the higher of the two, which is
Sir,
50,000.
I was just going to ask the 3-1 for 900. Where did we
It's in
get it?
1,000.
Okay, revenue.
This one is in 1,000. Don't forget. Abi?
Yes, sir.
So they are both in 1,000. So that is that. When we meet again from next week Saturday during the week, I will send you notes on hydrocarbon. So that's our last topic. We shall be looking at that. This I'm expected to teach it for the next 3 weeks.
I have question.
I'm coming. I'm expected to teach this for the next 3 weeks. And that's number one. Number two, I want you to attempt November 2023 diets. Question on the company income tax here, attempt it. Last diet is May 2025. Question number one there is pioneer legislation. Attempt it and get back to me on that. May 2024 is just the one we just did now. Attempts November 2024. question number 1 and get back to you on that. What's your question? If you have any challenge with those questions, let's talk about it.
All
That
of
will be
them
This
question.
question we just solved now. Can you hear me, sir?
yeah.
They said we should draft a report to the managing director.
Go ahead.
And that's my question.
So if you ask you to draft report to the managing director, that's not hard now. So number 1, what is the name of your firm? Feyi Shairo. Tax consulting firm. Okay. Lagos, Abidjan. So the managing director. The name of the company you are given, Soft Farm. So you write everything. You write your dates. Now, after you are done with the address, you write the answer. What is the subject? They said treatment of, you will say treatment of excess.
Excess amount of deductible interest paid.
Yeah, we have done this in the last class. What is the treatment? We have done the treatment. We said it should not be more than 30% of earnings before interest, tax, and depreciation and amortization. That's the one thing I told you. Anyone that is above that will be what? Disallowed. You write all this in statement, and you can carry forward the balance disallowed for a maximum period of 5 years. You put it in a statement form. Okay? So you now still tell them that in case they have any further inquiries, they should get back to you. Okay?
Sir, sorry. What you wrote treatment of excess what?
Amount deductible. Amount of deductible interest paid. So are we about B and C? Are we not to include it in the report?
No. Yes, you have to include it in the report. So you will include B in your report. You tell them the adjusted profits, and you also tell them the tax liability for each of the year. Okay? So
before we close the
question
report.
1. Yes. So you write it in statement form. You can say, for example, upon computation, our adjusted profit for 2022 23 year of assessment is Subsequently, the tax liability for the other periods are stated as follows. For 2022, for 2019, PAM, for 2020, PAM, for 2021, PAM, for 2022, PAM, for 20, you understand? For 2023, this is the amount. Okay? You will now tell them that our computation for this is attached for your perusal. In case you have any further inquiries, do not hesitate to get back to us. Okay? And you close it by that. You can say thank you for your patronage, and you can use whatever English that you like that is official. And after that, you would close it by saying yours faithfully. You close it by saying what? Yours faithfully. You write your name on behalf of the company that you are signing for. You sign and you close it. Reports will take nothing less than 3 or 4 marks in any question 1. So you must be able to write that report. Okay.
Sir, are we going to include all the question being asked with the hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
The heading, are we going to include all the requirements inside it?
Yes, you can do that. You can do that. You can do that.
We paraphrase the statement, right?
Yes. For example, in this question now, the examiner said you should compute, hold on. Number one, treatment of tax deductible. That is the major one. Number two, look at it. Adjusted profit. So in your heading, you're writing treatment of excess amount deductible interest paid, adjusted profit, and tax liability for the relevant year. So you now take them one after the other. Number one, okay, excess interest deductible. Number two, adjusted profit. Number three, tax payments. Do you understand? So you put your comment under each of the subsection.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question?
Sir, please,
So
how
my
did you
next
get that
class with you
55% that you used to multiply that 314,900?
is minimum tax rates, man.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So in my next class with you, by the grace of God, we shall be looking at hydrocarbon tax, and we'll end the lecture on that note. Good day to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, enjoy your day.
And you
Sir,
too.
don't go. I used to ask questions on
Bye.
that group chat. Nobody will answer me.
Which question?
When I have issue or something, maybe I'm revising a note, I will send question to the group chat. Nobody will answer.
Hello, sir.
Direct it to me.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Please, anybody that has the latest Pathfinder should send to the group, please, for
Please, sir,
2014 to 2020. Bye.
Okay, I will send it.
Thank
sir,
you
the
very
question asked us to attempt. You didn't specify the exact question number.
Look for company income tax question there.
Okay, okay.